Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry. Connecting audio.
We will wait 2 minutes, then madam will start the lesson, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Ma'am is there?
Yes, ma'am. There.
Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Okay, my voice is audible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay, children. Children, okay. Sir, all the participants have joined now, sir. Anyone is there to join?
You can start, Meghna.
I can start. Okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
You are the co-host. Yeah, you can admit students. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I have logged in with 2 devices. My system audio had some problem.
Fine, no issues.
Okay, okay, fine. Children, able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. This is one of the sample paper, children of grade 5. Okay. Can you try this? If you are 11th in a queue of persons standing from one end, then how many persons are there in a queue?
I'm 11.
You are the 11th in standing in a queue, starting from the either end. Then how many persons are there in a queue? That means From the starting, you're standing 11th. From the back side, if you count also, from the either end, if you count also, you're standing in the 11th. So total, how many persons are there in a queue?
Ma'am, 21.
Yes, exactly. Very good. How did you get explained, Nirbhay?
Ma'am, it's just simple, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 from the back and 7 from the backwards, ma'am. Ma'am, if you
Okay.
count 11 from either both sides,
Yeah.
if you multiply 11 by 2, you'll get 22, but you have to minus 1 for the
Minus
person
1.
standing.
Because you're in the 11th position, either if you count from the front end or from the backside end, if you count also, you're in the 11th place. So you have to minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the number will be 21. Understood, children? Everyone, any doubts in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Next one, count the number of cubes in the given figure. How many cubes are there in the given figure? You need to count it. Count quickly.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10.
Count
10.
properly. 10.
Ma'am, 18. 18. Oh.
There is no number 18. 1, 2,
Ma'am,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are only 10 cubes in the figure. This entire thing is called as a cube. So 1, 2, 3 directly, and here 4, 5, 6, 7, the other side 3. So total it will be 10. Okay. And next, the mirror image of sun. If the mirror is placed vertically to the left, this is the side. Sorry, this is the left side. If you're placing the mirror vertically above it, here. So how will be the mirror image? What will be the mirror image here?
And D.
D. Very good.
D, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, children. Option is D. If you're placing the mirror vertically to the left here, it will be looking like this. And next. Okay, I need to stop. Next, fourth one. The term reduce is one of the 3 R's. You know the 3R principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are the 3 R's to save, which is there to save the environment. So an example of opposite of reducing is overpacking. The opposite of reducing is overpacking, which is an anti-environment activity. Which of the following packing activities is anti-environment? That means which is we are doing opposite to the environment saving. Filling the cereal box completely, no, that is not an anti-environment thing. And next, putting an item in the cardboard box, then putting that box in another box.
B, ma'am.
Yeah, B, that will be the B. Putting foam packing material around the fragile item, no, that is also an environment activity only. Packing an item in the smallest possible. Yeah, option B is the correct answer.
Yes, that is B.
That means we are using just 2 boxes to pack one material. That means just we are wasting the boxes here. So that is anti-environment activity. Next, fifth one, select the animal pair which has similar breathing mechanisms.
And means similar breathing mechanisms.
Which have the similar breathing, like where each animal will have the different breathing mechanism. Fish will be breathing with the gills, animals with the lungs, insects with the spiracles.
Ma'am, D.
The bat and the fish, we know bat is a mammal. Fish is an aquatic which lives inside the water. Butterfly, mouse, these are also different. This is almost aerial.
Ma'am, turtle
Small
and
insect.
lizard.
Yeah, turtle and the lizard.
Yes,
Option B,
D.
turtle and lizard, both belong to the category of reptiles. E cannot be, because fish live in the water. It breathes with the help of the gills. Whereas bat, it breathes with the help of lungs. It's a mammal. Whereas turtle and lizard both belong to the reptile.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, even I can't hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Incomplete. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Yeah, tell me, children.
Ma'am, why it can't be earthworm and cockroach?
Earthworm breathe with the help of moist skin, ma. Cockroach is an insect. It breathes with the help of spiracles. I think I have explained you. The insects breathe with the help of the spiracles. Small holes will be
Yes,
there.
ma'am. Yes,
The
ma'am.
insects, it will be breathing. So this is different. Whereas turtle and lizard, they belong to the reptile category. Okay. Next, sixth one. Dash is a good conductor of electricity, which is a good.
Rubber.
Ma'am, metal.
Rubber.
Metal.
Rubber.
Metal.
Metal.
Metal is a good conductor of electricity.
Metal. Yes, ma'am. Metal.
Good conductor means which conducts electricity, which allows electricity to pass through it. That is good
Rubber.
conductor of electricity. Rubber will not conduct electricity. See, that's the reason you'll be wearing the rubber slippers when you're touching the switches and all.
Ma'am, it stops the electricity.
Have you ever got through it? When you're switching off or when the electricity is a little weak and all. Your parents will be advising you to wear the rubber slippers so that you won't get the shock.
Yes, ma'am.
It prevents from the shock, electric shock. So metal is a good conductor which allows electricity to pass through it. Okay.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
plastic, those are the bad conductors of electricity. Next, seventh one. A small baby plant. A small baby
Ma'am, seedling.
out of the seed is
Ma'am, seedling.
seedling. It is a seedling. Small baby plant coming out of the seed is called as seedling.
Ma'am, can you scroll a little up? I can't see, ma'am.
Okay. So seventh one finished. Seedling is the correct answer. Next, eighth one. Which of these is needed to measure the mass of the rock? How do you measure the weight of the rock or mass of the rock? It's a balance. Balance.
I can't see the question.
Ma'am, balance.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is a barometer?
Barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. The pressure in the atmosphere is measured by an instrument called barometer.
And ma'am, metric ruler?
Metric ruler is normal scale which you use for drawing the lines. You'll be using though for mathematical calculations, drawing the lines and all. There's nothing but the metric ruler, and this is thermometer which measures the temperature. Okay. Fine. Any doubt? No. Okay. Next, ninth one. Burning of the garbage. Okay, I'll scroll a little down.
Please scroll.
Yeah. I'm scrolling. Those options you need to see, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, A.
Okay, let me.
Air pollution and
Good.
lung cancer.
Burning of the
Yes,
garbage
ma'am.
leads to what? Soil pollution or air pollution or water pollution? Burning of the
Ma'am,
garbage.
second is lung cancer.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, A.
A is the correct answer.
A,
Burning
ma'am.
of the garbage
Yes,
leads
ma'am.
to air pollution because when you're burning the garbage, it releases harmful chemicals into the atmosphere which causes air pollution. So that if you inhale such gases, you cause the get affected with the deadly diseases like lung cancer or asthma. Okay, next.
Ma'am, B.
The substance that imparts a green color to the plants.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
chlorophyll, B.
Chlorophyll. B.
Yes, chlorophyll is a pigment which gives the green color to the plant. Next one. This is over. Which of the following are included in the first class livers?
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, cutting pliers. No.
one.
Ma'am, 1 and 2. Ma'am, cutting
Ma'am,
pliers.
1 and 2.
What is liver? What is a liver?
Ma'am, it is a liver is.
Ma'am, liver.
Ma'am, fix the tap, ma'am. When
Fixed
it is
at tap.
leaking.
That is used to fix the tap. Okay. Liver is used to fix the tap. Can you define anyone what are livers?
Ma'am, I can't define, but I can show.
You can show. What will you show? Just show me.
Ma'am, like these scissors, they
Okay,
are
scissor is
attached
already
with a
given.
nail. Ma'am, like
So
scissors are
yeah.
attached with a nail, so that is a lever.
So you can easily tell they are nothing but the simple machines which makes our work easier. Levers are nothing but the simple machines which make
Ma'am,
our
a handle that we pull or push in order to make a machine to work.
what ma? Please repeat once again.
Ma'am, a handle that we pull or push to
Okay.
make a machine work.
Okay, whatever it is, it's a simple machine. It's not so complicated. It's a simple machine which makes our work easier and simple. Those are called as levers. There are 3 types of levers: first class levers, second class levers, third class lever. You know that?
Yes, no, ma'am.
Yes. No, ma'am.
You don't know? Okay. Actually, there are 3 things: fulcrum, load, and the effort. Fulcrum, load, and the effort will be there. Fulcrum means here the screw is attached. That is called as fulcrum. And here the load will be the front portion. This is the load. What you are
And what
cutting.
is the answer? B. 1
The
and
answer
2.
will be B. Yes, answer will be B, because in the first class levers, this fulcrum will be in the middle, and the effort and the load will be on the either side. Here you are pressing the scissor, whatever the scissor or this one, you are pressing it. So this is the effort you are using. The middle portion is called as fulcrum, whereas this portion is called as load. Okay, so the answer will be 1 and 2. In the first class levers, the fulcrum will be in the middle, load in the front, and effort will be backside. Okay. Next, look at the given figure. It's a lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse means where will be the earth in it?
Ma'am, the last is C1.
Ma'am, B.
C1.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am,
Earth,
B.
B.
Ma'am, it will be B.
Man, B. B,
Children,
B.
only once you can tell the answer. No need to keep on repeating again and again. It will create disturbance. Okay. So lunar eclipse, earth will be in the center, the moon and the sun will be on the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when the earth comes between
Sun and the moon,
then the
that is
lunar
called as lunar eclipse arises. A solar eclipse, what
When
comes?
the moon
Ma'am,
comes
moon
in
comes
the
between
middle of
the
sun and
middle of
earth.
the sun and the earth, then it happens solar eclipse.
Yes, when the moon,
Sun and Earth.
yeah, moon has to come between the sun and the earth, then the solar eclipse arises. Very good. Next, 13th one. A news flashed on TV that 70 people died in an X in Kashmir. The X here can be
Avalanche, ma'am.
avalanche. Very good.
Ma'am,
Very good.
because the Kashmir is not near water.
Water,
Tsunami can't
yeah.
be. And
Tsunami.
sandstorm, it's not a desert, ma'am.
Yeah, so very good.
Ma'am,
Sandstorm
they
will occur only in the desert, whereas tsunami occurs only in the ocean. Near wherever the oceans are there only tsunami arrives. Whereas avalanche, it can be because it's a snowy area. So sometimes the snow slides upon the houses and all. So this avalanche may happen in the Kashmir. So X can be
voicing mountains happen.
snowy mountains. Yeah, these mountains slides and comes down, slips and comes down and falls on the buildings and all. So that is called as avalanche. Okay.
Ma'am, what's the difference between avalanche and avalanches?
Both are same, just pronunciation difference. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, this one. 3 different. One second. Okay. 3 different types of plants X, Y, and Z are selected by the scientists who want to document their methods of seed dispersal. The graphs below show the approximate number of seedlings found in the various distances around the parent plant. So what can be, there are different types of seed dispersal, you know. The seed can be dispersed by the wind, water, by the animals. Okay, different types of seed dispersal are there. So this, the seedlings, here is the distance in the kilometers. The graph shows the distance traveled by the seed during the dispersal. So which dispersal, the seed will be traveled to the greater distance and more. See here in the Z, you can see only 1 kilometer distance the seed has been traveled. Whereas here, the 6 kilometers is traveled, but it is in the dispersal has taken place in a uniform fashion.
X.
The more amount of seeds you can see has traveled to the larger distances, whereas little amount of seeds has been fallen nearby. So which type of dispersal is it?
Ma'am, I think it is Y.
No, you have to tell me the X is either the wind, water, or explosive action. Y will be the explosive action, animal or water, and Z will be by the animal, water, explosive action, or animal. Which one is this?
Ma'am, I
Wind,
think X is wind.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Wind.
wind,
Wind,
because the
ma'am.
wind blows to the greater distances, so the seeds will be carried on by the wind and has dispersed to the greater distance.
Yes,
Ma'am, I think Y is animals.
Yeah, Y will be animals. So the seeds will be dispersed in the uniform fashion. And next,
Ma'am, next
X
is
is water.
explosive action.
no, it is explosive action. C is the correct answer. Z is the explosive action. When the seed cord just burst out, it will be falling only to a certain distance. It will not go to far off distance. Only 1 kilometer, it will get exploded and fall down. Okay, so the X can be the wind dispersal. This will be the animal, and this will be the explosive action. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, identify. This is a food pyramid. Everyone knows this. 1, 3, 4, and 6. In the given food pyramid, select the given option. So what can be the things you have to eat more? What type of food materials you have to eat very, very less that are to be placed at the top of the food pyramid? So 6, you
Ma'am,
know.
first one.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Yes,
Ma'am,
B is the
B.
correct answer.
Ma'am, B.
So 1, more amount of grains you have to take. Here, fruits and vegetables occupies the second place in the food pyramid, and third place will be the
Ma'am, B.
proteins. Yeah, 6th will be the sweets and fats, which you have to consume very, very little. Understood now this one? Good, ma. Very good.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is finished. One more paper I'll share. Yes, ma, ask. Voice is not audible, Hitesh. Voice is not audible.
Hitesh, I think you're muted.
No, he's unmute only. Check, increase the volume in your this one audio system.
Ma'am, I think it's far away from the audio system.
No, he's nearby only. I think audio that sound is very less.
Yes,
Kept
ma'am.
sound very less. Type the message in the chat box, ma. Hitesh, that you can do.
What is the pyramid, ma'am?
Food pyramid you're asking?
Yes, ma'am.
See, food pyramid is nothing that which type of food you have to eat more, which type of food you have to eat less. They are placed in the form of the pyramid. So the food items which you have to consume more are placed at the bottom of the food pyramid, and the food items which you have to consume less are placed at the top of the food pyramid. Understood? Like if I show whiteboard. See, actually food pyramid, you know how the shape of the food pyramid will be. It will be like this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for the food, it is divided into 3 portions. 1, 2, and 3. So the food items which you have to eat more are placed at the bottom of the food pyramid here. So what all this include? This include the carbohydrates, grains, pulses, cereals, all this will be present here. You have to include more. And the next, fruits and vegetables. And this will be dairy products and the fat. And this, chocolates, junk food, you can write it in the top of the food pyramid where you have to consume very, very less. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. one more I'll share. Six. Okay.
Mama can't see the screen.
Screen is not to be seen.
Ma'am,
No,
I
it's,
can see, ma'am. Seen, ma'am.
it is seen, ma.
Ma'am, please share it again.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Yeah, you can see, children. If you're facing any issue, just leave the meeting and join once again. Okay. Next, A stand for addition and B stand for subtraction. So then, do it. Do you have the pen and the paper? Can you try this? So wherever A is there, you have to put plus symbol. Wherever B is there, you have to put the minus symbol.
Ma'am, 6.
Try it. 6. How did you get?
I'm 6, ma'am. I'm trying. Ma'am, mentally I did.
7 minus.
Yeah. 4 plus 3 minus 3
6.
plus 2.
6 answer.
6.
6 answer will be 6. Everyone got?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, I did it mentally.
Oh, very good. Next, Pia walks a distance of 4 meters towards the south. She turns to the left and walks 3 meters. After this, she turns to the right and walks 4 meters. In which direction is she facing now? So you can draw the distance direction. North,
Ma'am, she's.
south,
Ma'am, she's.
east,
Northeast.
west. So first she will travel to the south and then she turns to the left and walks for 3 meters. Again she turns right. So she's turning the left.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
She's walking north, ma'am. She's walking north. She's walking north, ma'am. She's walking north. She's walking north, ma'am.
No, it's south. It is given as south. So because she turns, first she turns to the left, she walks, then she turns left, and again she turns right. So the answer will be south. North means directly she has to go straight, but she's not going straight. Okay. Next. Yeah, 6, Mashaurya. Good. Select the figure from the options in which the figure X, this is the figure X, that exactly get embedded in one of the parts. So which of these figure?
A, ma'am.
See the shape. The shape exactly goes and fits into the figure.
Ma'am, it's A.
I think. Yeah.
A only it gets fits, but the sides and all, exactly the figure goes and embeds. The entire figure has to embed.
Ma'am, C.
Option C. Option C. Option
Yes,
C.
ma'am. C.
Yeah, option C is the correct answer because in A only this starting part is same, whereas either the other sides are wide here. Whereas this one, exactly the figure go and embeds into the given figure. Next, fourth one. Find the number of triangles.
20.
Count properly.
Ma'am, I counted.
Counted.
Yes, ma'am.
When? Now?
Yeah, ma'am, I counted.
Okay, count along with me then. Number of triangles. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then full 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then big one, 16, 17, And then
Ma'am, it's 21.
21.
Ma'am, can I tell how?
tell. Yeah, this side also we have to count. 19, 20,
Ma'am, 21.
21. 21 is the correct answer.
21.
Yeah. Count it.
Ma'am, 1.
Small triangles you need to count. And again this one.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20.
I think you're repeating the counting. So this part also you need to count. Along with that, this full part also you should count.
I counted it.
Okay, then you will get 21. Next, which net when folded will cover all the faces of the cube?
Ma'am, A.
Yeah. It's a single cube. No, B is a straight. It's just a straight line. Sides and all it is not covered. Cube is three-dimensional. So when you're covering, this will go up, this to the sides, and this to the one side, and this onto the top.
I think it's D, I think.
B is a straight line, might has been cut in the straight line. No, so A is the correct answer.
Ma'am, D. Oh, sorry.
A is the correct answer. You can try. You can draw like this in a paper and just close it. You can see after the covering of everything, you can see the three-dimensional cube like this.
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am. I have that.
Like this three-dimensional cube will be formed. A is the correct answer. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
In T, if we fold one part, then second, third, fourth, then it will also become a cube.
No, you try once. Cut the paper. Draw the lines on the paper and just try folding that. It will not form the cube.
Okay, ma'am.
This one will correctly form the cube. You have to take the paper, put the marks, just fold it. Wherever the markings are there, fold in the same way and try. It forms a complete cube. I would have tried that. Sorry. Okay. Understood now this one? Kiriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, read the given statements and select the option. The process of separation of lint and seeds from the harvested cotton fibers is called ginning. This is correct. Statement is correct. Lint means that small, if you are wearing the cotton fibers, cotton cloth, if you are wearing that small, buds will be formed. That is called as lint. Usually for the cotton fibers, if the quality is not good, the cotton quality is not good, you can find small, rounded structures will be there. Those are called as lint. So during the process of separation only, the lint and the seeds has to be separated from the harvested cotton crops. So that is called as ginning. That process is called as ginning. You will learn in the lesson fiber to fabric. And then the process of making yarn from the fibers is called as spinning. How the threads are formed from the fibers. That is called as spinning. So here both the statements are correct. But there is no relationship between the statement 1 and the 2. So you have to tick the option B. Yes. Both the statements 1 and 2 are correct. But statement 2 is not the correct explanation of the statement 1.
Yes.
Okay. The separation is called as ginning, whereas the process of making the yarn from the fibers is called as spinning. Both are correct only, but there is no relationship between the statement 1 and 2. So option B, you have to put a tick mark. Next, we use different parts of different plants as food source. Refer to the labeled figure of a typical plant. This is a typical plant. You know the different parts of the plant. and select the option that correctly matches an edible plant part with an example. So you know this U will be the roots, T leaves, and this is the stem. So which one is the correct option?
Broccoli.
P is broccoli? No. Broccoli will not be that much small.
Yes.
So here option B, if you take R is cabbage. No, cabbage also will not be grown there. And T is a cabbage. No. Those are leaves.
Ma'am, it's D. Q.
Option. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Clove.
Usually formed on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
tip
Clove will grow there only.
there only. And
The
T,
lettuce will grow there. Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Leaves are nothing but the lettuce. So
Yes,
option
ma'am.
D is the correct answer. Okay. Next, what adaptation does the given organism show? This duckling, which is swimming inside the water. So what type of adaptations does it show? Does it have the strong hind leg muscles?
Web feet.
Ma'am, web feet.
Hollow bones.
Hollow bones. Ma'am, B and C.
Hollow
both.
bones.
Ma'am,
It is-
both B, C.
It is both B and C because it's a bird. It is having the hollow bones called pneumatic bones, and it is also having the webbed feet so that it can easily swim inside the water. So option B and C are the correct answers. The strong hind leg muscles will be seen only in the terrestrial animals. Because for running purpose, for moving very fastly, these strong hind leg muscles you can see only in the terrestrial fast moving animals. Whereas this is a duckling, swan or duck, whatever it is. So you can see the hollow bones and the webbed feet here. Okay. Next, ninth one. Two cars X and Y. This is one car X, this is one car Y, are traveling in opposite directions on the narrow road. As shown here, four possible positions for placing a mirror are labeled as D, E, F, and G. So here in the four positions, D, E, F, and G, you can place a camera. So in order to avoid the accident, a mirror can be placed at the position. Which position you have to place the mirror?
D.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
D.
Option D is the correct answer. If you place the camera, the person coming here, you can see this person also, and the person moving this side also, they can see the image of the other car. So option D, that is option B, is the correct answer. Ayyo. Again, I have to go. Okay. Select the incorrect reason. Oh, the options are again up. Okay, see the options, children. Select the incorrect reason for separating components of the mixture. So mixture, you know what is a mixture? Different things mixed together is called as a mixture. How to separate a mixture? To separate two or more different but useful components, incorrect statement you have to put a tick mark. To remove the undesirable and useless components, we use the separating components for the mixture, or to remove the pure or harmless components to obtain the pure sample of the substance. Which one is incorrect? Yes, ma'am?
C.
Option C is the correct answer. To remove the pure or harmless components, the separation of the mixture, because there will be no harmful substances in the mixture. Next, 11th one, the given figure shows an example of. So here, phototropism. Yes, very good. Hitesh, you are telling the correct answer, but you have some audio problem. Phototropism is correct answer. Phototropism is movement of the plant towards the light. Next, electric switch is a device which is used for electric switch. On and off, you'll be doing the electric switch. So what is it used for? Making of an electric circuit?
Electric circuit.
Why for breaking of the electric circuit do you want to use the electric switch?
Ma'am,
If you
A,
don't-
ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, A.
Both A and B. For switching on the light also you will use the same switch. For switching off the light also you'll be using the same switch. So for making the circuit or breaking the circuit we'll be using the electric switch. Okay. Only one question. Okay. We can recycle water. How can you recycle the water? By reusing the water from the washing clothes to cook. After washing, do you use the same water to cook? No. Discharging the factory waste into canals and seas? No.
No.
Then discharging the sewage and waste materials into the oceans? No. So none of these.
Ma'am,
None of these. Answer.
none of these, ma'am.
Yeah, none of this is the correct answer. Next, observe the given processes 1 and 2 carefully. Here the first picture shows the water is boiling in a pan, and second picture shows the water kept in an open shallow pan placed in the sun. Just the water is kept in the pan and placed in the sun. So which of the following statements are correct? Bubbles are formed in process 1 while no bubble formation takes place in the process 2. Correct only. And process 1 is slow while process 2 is fast. No. This is fast because the boiling at high temperature takes place. And then process 1 occurs at 100 degrees Celsius while the process 2 can occur at any temperature depending upon the temperature of the sun.
Yes.
Yes. So which
Ma'am,
option?
C.
Option C is the correct answer. And which process is fast? Process 1 or 2? Which one is fast? Process 1 is fast. And here you know water is boiling at a temperature. At what temperature water starts boiling? 100 degrees Celsius. Water melts at 0 degrees Celsius. The melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Next, given below are the 4 food components P to S corresponding sources. P is meat, fish and egg. Q is the butter, ghee and margarine. R is the bread, biscuit and potato. S is amla, tomato and orange. Select the incorrect statements regarding them. The deficiency of P causes marasmus in children. Select the incorrect statement. Okay. Deficiency of P causes marasmus in children, whereas deficiency of Q causes kwashiorkor in adults.
Ma'am, in adults, kwashiorkor will not come.
Yeah, in adults, kwashiorkor will not come.
Extremely wrong first.
Extremely wrong, first one. B, next one, we'll see the option. Among P, Q, RS, 1 gram of Q produces maximum energy.
False.
Yeah, this is correct.
Yes, ma'am. It's true.
Yeah, butter and ghee. Maximum energy we will get. True, yeah. The excess of R is stored in the body cells and is used in the production of energy whenever is required.
Yes, ma'am, true.
Yes, true. That is also true. And deficiency of S, amla, tomato or orange, the deficiency of those food items may cause the disease in which the gums swell up and bleed. That is also correct. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. No. So option A is the correct answer. What,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
it's a jam. Ma'am, it's a type of a jam.
Which one?
Margarine.
Margarine, yeah, it's type of a jam. It's like jelly-like thing will be there with little sour taste.
Ma'am, it will not be sweet as a jam.
Ah, that's what, it will be little sour taste. Okay, one more.
Natural, man-made. Is it natural or man-made?
Ma'am, are you screen sharing?
Yeah, screen sharing, ma. Man-made,
Ma'am, I
man-made.
can't see.
No,
I'm not
ma'am.
sharing. Wait, I'm just opening the file. Later, I'll share.
Yes.
Where is this? Now able to see? Okay.
LCM.
LCM, you know how to find the LCM?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. One second. Able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you find the LCM, children?
Ma'am, you have to write the multiples of all numbers.
Okay. Do it and tell me. Just mute yourself. Some disturbance is coming from your end. Yeah, thank you. So 4 numbers are given. 12, 24, 48, 108. So you have to find the number which is divisible for all the numbers. So you can take directly 2 or 4, you can take 4, you can take 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Next, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. And then these are all the numbers you can see. The common multiple is 3. 3 1s are
432 answer. Ma'am, 432 answer.
432. Yeah, very good. Next, 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. So again, these two numbers have the common factor, that is 2. 1, 1, 2 2s are 4, and 9 you cannot divide by 2. So just put 9. So all this you need to multiply. 4 into 3 into, sorry, I'll write it down. Or up I'll write. Okay. 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 9. If you multiply all this, you will get the answer 432.
Ma'am, I have got the answer of number 2 also.
Okay. Got it, everyone? Have you tried?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am replying you privately then.
Privately you're replying.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, second number answer. I am the answer.
Okay, next one. Geeta has 558 flags to pack into boxes. Each box will hold 62 flags. How many boxes will Geeta need to hold all the flags? So the number of flags is 558. The number of flags is 558. And each box can hold 62 flags. One box can hold 62 flags. So how many boxes will the Geeta need? What will you do? You need to just divide it 558 by 62. Which number?
Answer is 9, ma'am.
9.
Yes,
62
ma'am,
into
9.
9. If you multiply, you will get 558. So answer will be 9.
And
Ma'am, your other video is coming. I can't hear you, and it's like your video, your audio is not connected.
Now it's connected. Okay. So here you can see this is the number 18. From here is 36. So which number can be at this position? That is x. So here to here, how much is the difference? You can see. Here if you write two numbers, if you take 18, 20, here 22, 24, 26, 28,
Ma'am, it's 46.
30, 32, 34, 36 exactly it comes. So two numbers you need to jump.
44.
44 is the correct answer. Very
44 is
good.
the correct answer.
Yes.
Number, I also got number 4. Divyansh.
Okay, very good. Next, what is the area of the rectangle that measures 5 meters wide and 6 meters long? So length is 6 meters and width is 5 meters. What is the area of the triangle? Rectangle, sorry. Area of the rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle?
30 meters square.
Yes, ma'am.
30 meters square.
How did you get 30 meters square?
You have to multiply
I saw.
You have to multiply them.
Yeah, you need to multiply. Length into breadth is the nothing but the area of the rectangle.
L into B.
L into B.
15 meters square.
Okay, yeah. Next, fifth one. If n represents a number, what is this means? Same as the expression n plus 6. N is not, if n is a number, so how do you express this expression n plus 6?
6 more than a
6 is more than number, or 6 is divided by a number?
number. More.
6 less than a number, 6 times a number. It is more than a number.
Yes, ma'am.
Because in the expression it is n plus 6. Plus is more than that number.
Yes.
Okay. Next, a body system that gives you support and allows movement is the which body system?
Skeletal system.
Skeletal system. Yes, skeletal system gives you support and allows the movement. And next, which food group best provides the necessary nutrients for health?
Milk and dairy products.
Milk and dairy products. As
Because
they
it's
provide
rich in
us
calcium. Yeah, calcium mineral will be present in the milk, so that is responsible for maintaining our healthy bones and the teeth.
Yes, ma'am. Then next.
Okay, I thought I hadn't scrolled down. Okay.
Sun is star.
Yeah. Sun is a star. Sun is everyone knows sun is a star. Why it is called a star?
Ma'am, because it is it
Because
is
it
a
is
slide.
ball
It's a mixture of gas.
Ball of.
Ma'am, it is a luminous object which gives
It
us
is a
light.
luminous, exactly, very good. It is a luminous object which gives us the light. Whereas other objects like planets or the moon, they are not luminous. They do not
Ma'am, they are
impart the light.
non-luminous.
Yeah, they are non-luminous. So sun is a star because it is a luminous object.
Sun is the biggest star, ma'am.
No, it is a medium-sized star. There are much more stars bigger than the sun, and some stars
Yes,
are smaller than the sun. But you can see the sun is so big because
Because it is very far from us. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Because it is very close to us.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't hear
Ma'am,
you.
we can't hear you. Ma'am, we can't hear you. Can't-
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Same here, ma'am.
सब बोल रहे हैं।
yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you call? The earth is surrounded by an insulating blanket of gases which protects it from the light and the heat of the sun. The insulating layer is called as, what do you call the insulating?
Lithosphere.
Atmosphere.
No.
No, biosphere.
Ma'am, atmosphere. Ma'am, atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
It is atmosphere, children. Because of the atmosphere only, so many different wide varieties of living organisms are existing on the earth. If there is no atmosphere, there is no life. So it is atmosphere which is protecting us.
So, which part of the body?
Brain, BRN.
Next, which part of the brain?
Brain.
Means the body receives messages and transmitted by the nerve cells located throughout the body. It is the brain, correct.
BRN.
And next, 11th one, which of the following has an organic origin? Organic origin means which is made up of the carbon.
Ma'am, coal.
Ma'am,
Coal.
Coal. Coal is made up of carbon, whereas sand is made up of silica, bakelite, and nylon. They are artificially prepared using some different types of fibers or the plastics. Next, 12th one, which is not. Oh, what happened nearby?
Ma'am, I didn't do anything.
You didn't do. Okay.
Ma'am, even I heard it.
Okay. Which one is usually not a reason why foods are processed? Why do we process the food? That is not a proper reason. More nutritious, easier to package, lasts longer on the shelf,
Yes.
easier to transport to the store.
ma'am, lost longer on the shelf.
Longer on the shelf.
1 second, Shreya.
Ma'am, easier to transport to the store.
No, yeah, foods are processed usually to easier to package, to increase the shelf life of the product, or easier to transport from one place to another. Those are the reasons why the foods are processed. But foods are not, all the processed food, they are not nutritious.
Ma'am, there are
What-
fats too.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
there are
they are,
fats too.
they are fats, they increase the junk which is not required for your body. So try to avoid the processed food. So why the foods are processed means these are the correct answers why the foods are processed. Okay, all these are the correct answers why the food is processed. But food will not be more nutritious once it is processed. The nutritive value of the food will be reduced. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next, what force pulls things toward the center of the earth?
Gravity.
Ma'am, gravity.
Ma'am,
Gravity.
Gravity or the gravitational force
Gravity.
towards the earth.
Gravity.
Next, who discovered the circulation of the
Ma'am,
blood?
Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner. Ma'am, Edward Jenner.
Edward Jenner.
I think
Edward
Edward Jenner, some vaccine he has discovered, right, for chicken pox.
Oh.
Scratching your nose. Tell.
Ma'am, I think it's William Harvey.
Yeah, it's William Harvey. Next.
And William Harvey.
Yeah, William Harvey is the correct answer, children. William Harvey discovered the circulation of the blood. If you dissolve a lot of salt in some water in a large flat dish, that means you're keeping the salt in a flat dish with some water and put this dish in the bright sunlight on a hot day. What would be left in the dish after a long time?
Ma'am, can you show the options?
Options options are not visible.
Ma'am, your voice is. Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See the options.
Options you can't see the same, no.
Ma'am, only A and B are seen.
No, I'll read out. I cannot scroll down. I'll just read out. Options are the dry salt. Just 1 second, children. The charging is getting down. Okay, fine. So if you dissolve the salt in the large water and put it in a dish, in the bright sunlight in a hot day, what would be left in the dish after a long time?
Dry salt.
Dry salt will be
Dry salt.
dry salt. Option B is water with no salt. Option C is the same salty water as before and Option D is nothing. So dry salt, option A is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, dry salt is the correct answer, Hitesh. Very good. So the last paper. Can you tell the answers quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
A circle is drawn with the center point O. The line segment from A to B
Ma'am,
through the center of the circle.
Ma'am, radius.
Ma'am, diameter.
diameter.
Ma'am, diameter.
One second, I did not understand first. A circle is drawn with the center point O. The line segment from point A to B through the center of the circle is called as diameter.
Diameter.
Yeah, diameter is the correct answer. Next, second one. What could be the measure of the angles of a right triangle? We know right triangle means one angle should be 90.
Yes,
To the other two angles. So total angles of a triangle, how much? How much are the total angles of the triangle?
Ma'am, 180.
180. The total angles, triangle will be like this triangle shape. So all these angles, if you add, the total angles of the triangle will be 180.
180.
Ma'am, 60.
Ma'am B. Ma'am B.
Yeah, it is B.
Ma'am,
So
B.
one angle, if it is 90, the other two angles, if you add, it will be 90 again. Okay. Next, a race started at 11:16 a.m. The first person to cross the line came in at 1:22 p.m. How long did it take the first person to reach the finish line?
Ma'am, 2 hours, 6 minutes.
Yeah, 2 hours, 6 minutes. You need to calculate the difference. The difference between this time and this time, you need to find the difference, then you will get the answer. Okay. Next, an arrow makes an angle with the level ground. This is an arrow. As shown in the picture, what is the best name of the angle?
Ma'am,
I think it's obtuse.
Ma'am, obtuse.
This is an obtuse angle.
Obtuse.
More than 90 degrees, we call it as an obtuse angle.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, next is if A is 5, which number in the sentence is true? So if you replace
Ma'am A.
if you-
Ma'am A.
Ma'am, A.
A is the correct answer. You have to replace this A with this number, then you have to see which answer is correct.
Yes.
Next, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide may be grouped together because at room
Gases.
temperature, they are all gases. All these are the gases.
Ma'am, gases.
Yes, ma'am. Next,
Earth.
the revolves around the earth. Very good.
The earth.
Earth.
Yeah, moon revolves around the earth. Which of these is a process that allows the
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis? Very good. By the process of photosynthesis only, the light energy is
Seedling.
converted
Ma'am,
into
seedling.
Seedling.
seedling. Yes, very good. Small
Then
baby plant
balance.
coming out. Yeah,
Then
just
balance.
same
Ma'am,
question.
just now we have solved this.
Yeah, that's one. Same question is
Repeated.
repeated.
Question, ma'am.
Huh?
10th one. 10th one. I can't see the question.
You scroll in your this one, ma, because it is already it's PPT. I can't scroll down. Shall I read out this 10th one has already been solved in the previous paper. Which of these is needed to measure the mass of the rock, the weight of the rock? How do you measure? A balance, barometer, metric ruler, or thermometer?
Ma'am, a balance.
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 No? Yeah. Next, which of these can most easily to attract the magnet?
Ma'am, iron nails.
Ma'am, iron nails.
Iron nails. Iron nails has the magnetic property, so that helps in attracting the towards the magnet.
And then
The substance
chlorophyll.
Ma'am, chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. It's a green color pigment that is present in the leaves. Next, today, which human activity is responsible for endangering the greatest number of land animal species?
Hunting.
Ma'am, hunting for food and food.
Destruction of habitat.
D, ma'am.
Ma'am, B.
And
Ma'am,
Which one? 13th one.
Ma'am, C and D. I think.
C, it is C, destruction of the habitats. If the entire habitat is destructed, then we cannot see the land species. they will be diminished. Just for hunting the food and sport means just only few animals will be hunting. But destruction of the habitat means the entire living area of that particular animal will be destroyed.
Yes,
So you can give the option destruction of the habitat.
ma'am, they cannot survive.
Yeah, they cannot survive. Yeah. They cannot adjust to the different habitat. Once the animal is adjusted or adapted to the particular habitat, it cannot survive in the different habitat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, which of these probably cause most cars? It releases the pollution, gases, which are very dangerous, causes air pollution. People in very cold,
Ma'am, igloo. Igloo.
it is igloo. People in cold places live in igloo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's all, children, for today. We'll be meeting in the next class. Any doubts till now? These are the previous year's papers what we have solved, so that will be useful for your exam. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Take care. Bye bye. See you.
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma. Sir, can I end the meeting?
Yeah, okay, Meghana.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, sir.
Bye bye bye, children.
Bye, everyone.